Problem number 16. The graph below shows the number of new houses built in a town from 1970 to 2000. The mayor of the town used the graph to claim that between 1970 and 2000, the number of new houses built increased at a constant rate. Is the claim valid? Well, when you're trying to determine whether a claim is valid or invalid based on a graph, or particularly a graph, the first thing you want to look at is the scale along the x-axis and the scale along the y-axis to make sure that the scale is consistent, that it counts by the same number every time. If we look at the y-axis on this graph, we can see that the scale is by 5. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So that is a consistent scale that goes up by 5s. However, if we look along the x-axis, it starts out by 10. So we see 1970, 1980, let's try that again. Let me erase here. If we look at the scale, we see 1970. Let me collect my pen again. 1970, 1980, 1990, and then look what happens. All of a sudden, we go to 1992, 94, 96. So there's an inconsistency. We were counting by 10s, and now all of a sudden we're counting by 2s. Therefore, we can make no real conclusion or no claim based on this graph because the scale on the horizontal axis is inappropriate.